ongoing the process of side branding in Navratri event, guys. ऊपर से हैंगिंग नहीं होगा?
नहीं, ऊपर से
पंखा लगा है तो
ऑफ सेंटर चलेगा स्ट्रीट
का जो ऊपर के साइड का एंडिंग है,
हाँ।
वहाँ से फ्लैग्स लटक गए हर पोल पे अपने। इधर एक ये 4 फिक्स रखी है 16 बाई 16 के, और इधर एक 16 बाई 16 का फिक्स रखी है, और ये हो गए अपने इधर के 5। बाहर की साइड का बाहर जाके एक बार अपन देखेंगे, अंदर का पूरा क्लोज कर। 10 बोर्ड है उसमें से फिर 2 पे ही लग रहा है तो इतना दिखेगा नहीं,
चलेगा।
तो वो
आपने वो प्लान शीट किया है ना?
हाँ
प्लान शीट करी थी।
हाँ हाँ।
So it's almost 1:30 a.m. one night before the Navaratri. So tomorrow is the first day of Navaratri and we are here at our ground. Since past 4 years, Rishabh Raj has been doing the title sponsorship for Kora Kendra Navaratri. Also, it is a brand awareness activity for us. Along with that, we are having very good relations and ties with the organizers of this Navaratri, which is Naidu Club. The normal practice is normally our marketing team has done a wonderful job in terms of preparing all the designs and creatives of things, of the campaigns, giveaways, everything, Instagram strategy to increase our followers, to make sure that we do our best and get the best return out of this whole 9-day activity. So here on the ground one day before to finalize and do a rough check on where all, what all are going to be placed, which project banner is going to be placed where all can be maximized in terms of the logos of Rishabh Raj is in terms of, let's say, the logo should be at top of the stage, or maybe the logo on below the stages. Also we ideated right now on putting the flag which can be hanging on all the sides, both the sides of this dome. It helps being on the ground, actually witnessing, trying to manifest or imagine how it will look, what will it look, and kind of it removes some mistakes or some errors that might happen. And also like day one is kind of a trial and error, and since tomorrow everything will be ready, we'll have a look, and if something feels like off or I think so we should change something, we change it, and from the second day onwards we are all set and good. So see you tomorrow, guys. Day one. So here we are at day one of Navaratri. Today is a white color day and the crowd is settling in. It's early 8 p.m. right now. So here we are doing some approvals, reviews regarding the things that need to be posted tomorrow. So yeah, done with that, and now we'll continue to play Navaratri. I have not played a lot of Garba in my life. Today, surprisingly, knowing the basics of Garba, I could play a lot advanced. It's a feeling, it's a vibe, seeing thousands of people turning up on one single ground and just performing one single step all together, all at the same single time. Wonderful feeling. Today is the day 2 of Navaratri and red is the color. Excited for tonight. Looking forward to enjoying Garba. A huge thanks to our marketing team this time. And like when you title sponsor an event, you have to make sure that you get the best out of that sponsorship in terms of the branding awareness, the visibility and everything. And our marketing team has done excellent job. They have stayed overnight on the grounds in the office to make sure to deliver everything, design everything according to the sizes and the requirement. And I feel if you don't focus on that part enough and are not making sure that you get the maximum output of this activity, you are not utilizing the full potential of the sponsorship. So when you are sponsoring any event, exhibition or anything, it is definitely not going to lead to closure of a booking or sale of a flat. Okay. But what it does is increases the brand awareness of a project, company, organization, which might give return in the future. Like, definitely any sponsorship is not going to lead to booking of 10 flats in a project, but it is going to lead to maybe give bookings in 10 different projects in the future. There is no guarantee of that, obviously. And apart from that, you have to analyze the event or the exhibition in which you are sponsoring. Like, you have to see what target audience is there at that event. For, let's say, let's talk about Navratri. The target audience or the crowd is very young. They don't have the ability to purchase flats, right? But definitely year on year, seeing Rishabh Raj as a sponsor of this event, in future, if these people have the capability to buy a flat, they might consider the brand H Rishabh Raj and might be aware what or who Rishabh Raj is, right? So it gives returns in a very long term period, and considering and analyzing what kind of event you're sponsoring is very important. It's day 4 of Navratri, and last few years, like, I've tried multiple times, could never like play Garba or was able to learn Garba. This is the first year that I'm able to play Garba. बहुत मजा आ रहा है. Like, I am like trying to finish up my work and trying to create time and make sure that I reach on time for the aarti and make sure that I get like proper time to play the garba and enjoy with whoever is there and connect with them, play with them, and loving it, just loving it. Day 6 of Navratri, and today's color is grey, but sadly grey kurta nahi tha. Blue was the nearest that I could get. Came a little bit early today to just shoot a few things, vlog a few things, because normally Aarti gets started, noise is there, so can't vlog properly. But just an update, like, everything is perfect. Like, the flags are hanging, the VIP lounge, the VIP area, branding, all the brandings all over the ground, from the outside, inside, screen, videos, and multiple other things like announcements and everything. Everything was done perfectly from the day 2 onwards. But along with that, there is a very good opportunity during these times where networking, meeting new people, or connecting with your whole family members or business associates or whomsoever is associated with Rishabh Raj in a very organic way and without any intention. And it kind of deepens the bond with everyone. And that is also one added advantage of these sponsorships.
चोगाड़ा तारा चबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग वेर जुए तारी बात चोगाड़ा तारा ओए चबीला तारा ओए रंगीला तारा रंग वेर जुए तारी बात रे.
So 2 days left for Navratri to end, and I'm shooting this because we are putting out the vlog today. And this year has been the best for me in terms of Garba Navratri, because since year is like I had always wished to play Garba, but I personally cannot dance very well. So Garba also was very difficult for me. But somehow, surprisingly, this year I was able to learn and do the steps, and also the steps which required some pace and certain level of playing in the past, but could do it. I don't know how, and I'm loving vlogging. So see me in the next vlog.